Green got a job. They are a cashier. Green shows Wayne how to use a cash register.
Hey, Wayne, do you want me to show you how to use the cash register?
Yes, that would be great.
Okay. First, press the on button.
This one?
Yes. Next, press 3.
Okay.
Next, press the addition button.
This one?
Yes. Next, press the 6 button.
Okay.
Next, press the equals button.
Okay.
Now you can see the total, right?
Yes, the total is 9.
Now press the on button.
Why?
The on button is also the clear button.
Oh, I see. This will clear everything so I can start again.
That's right.
Congratulations, Green.